So basically, I've realized a lot of things since I started focusing more on trading. Now, if you see this particular zones here on gold, honestly, this guy here got me fucked up since it was already creating another high. So due to my, I decided to take a buy position here, and my take profit was around here. But unfortunately, after getting to this particular point, creating this liquidity at this particular resistant level, created this liquidity, and finally it dropped again. But I honestly did not know the reason why it refused to move up. Maybe because I've checked the higher time frame, I didn't see any zone that were around this resistance here, so I took the break even. And when it gets to this particular zone here, it was supposed to buy to this zone. Now, if I'm to use my trend line confirmation, this was supposed to play that, but definitely scalpers will take this particular entry and take a lot of pips here. But since I'm not scalping, I was hoping it would get to this zone here. But unfortunately, it gets to this particular entry, thereby creating this fair value gap. Retrace this fair value gap zone here, and it went down. It was a massive fall. It went down. And now, honestly, I'm anticipating the price to get to, the price should get to this particular zone here, since we have an internal liquidity here. So I'm expecting it to get to this particular zone, then fall again. But honestly, if I'm to be risking 5% of my account before on this particular trade, honestly, I'll be risking just 2%. This is one risk to reward 9. Mind you, first TP should be around this zone because there's a resistance zone here. And of course, if you should respect it, scalpers will eat from this zone. Scalpers will eat from this zone. As you can see, it plays out perfectly. So all that we will do is to wait for the market to get to this particular entry here, and we'll take a sell position. Though it's not 100% guarantee, so if you have to take this, you have to minimize your risk. Since this week so far, I think I've just gotten just one take profit. The rest has been break even. But at least we are still on plus and not minus, and the account is not stagnant. So it's better you go with the break even than you going with minus. So for now, this is on gold, and we are probably expecting the price to get to this particular point here before they take a sell position, and first take profit to be at this other block zone, and final take profit to be at this particular zone here. So this is one risk to reward 9. So if you are risking $1, you are targeting to earn $9. Let's see how it plays out, because 2 hours from now, gold market will be closed, and hoping before the end of tomorrow this will play out. And if it did not play out, all good. We are not the market makers. So peace and love. This is not a financial advice, okay? This is not a financial advice. If you must take this trade, make sure you do your personal analysis before taking it. And if your analysis do not work along with my own, do not take it. My style of trading might be far different from your style of trading, and if the market is not clear for you to take an entry, please do not take it. Not because I dropped the analysis and you want to take it. Do your analysis on your own first before taking any particular trade. Peace and love. This is not a financial advice, just like I said.